Welcome in to a new woolly review, and we've got some fuzz today. The fuzz. This is Yarnsmiths Zooaura, which is a super chunky in the colour of koala grey. Now this is a 50-gram ball from Yarnsmiths, and the cheapest place that I found this was Woolwarehouse. At the moment, time of recording, £1.50. And on here we have 30 meters or 33 yards approximately, and this is 100% polyester. Now obviously a lot of the time things like this are not used for making an entire thing, but more as a trim, although some people do use it to make substantial items. So I'm going to do this as a review as I would ordinarily. Now it does say to use a 9 or a 10mm. I don't have a 9, so we're using my Ladybird and Meki number 10. Now the first thing is that I know people are going to ask is about how does the fuzz weigh up when it comes to pulling it and tugging it? Does it come off? Nothing. Now it does have the tape ribbon behind it. I don't know how well this is going to work up, but you know, I'm going to do the best I can for you. Now I have found that this has approximately 18 different colorways. Now the reason why I personally chose this one, because this is from my stash, is because I think the grey will be more versatile. Obviously I cannot see the stitches because it's so fuzzy. What I'm hoping from this is that as I crochet with it, I don't see much of that tape ribbon behind, because if I'm putting trim on something, you know, I want to see the trim and not the makeup of the trim, if you know what I mean. Oh, it's so soft and fuzzy. It's a nice softness. It's not scratchy. It's not overly, oh my gosh, it's like feathers. It's not bad, but like I said, as a trim, I don't know where I'm going. You've got to feel for the stitches, Khadijah. Feel for the stitches. Oh, that's not too bad actually. Now I'm not one to ordinarily go and buy the fluffy stuff, but I thought it'd be nice to do a trim on some things, so I'm expanding. So from what I can see, I see no tape ribbon, which is fabulous. And on the back, oh, it's like a little tail. I can't see any tape ribbon, and I can't actually feel it either. That's really good. Okay, I'm only going to be doing one row of each, because one, otherwise we're going to be here forever. Two, I don't really want to ruin my fuzz. Ooh. Oh no, it's half double now. See, I don't even know what I'm doing. It's not bad to actually feel the stitches underneath, you know. I have worked with fuzz of a different kind in the past, and it was quite difficult to feel the stitches. I've got to say, I think the tape really helps to feel where those stitches are, which is nice. So it's not overly difficult to work with. And as you can see, there is no fluff. There's no fluff coming off at all, which is brilliant. I do feel like I'm creating a creature here though. I almost want to get some googly eyes and stick them on. Now remember, we're not here to judge the colour. We're not here to judge my crocheting technique or lack of, whichever. It's just to review the fluffy stuff. Now there I can see a little bit of the tape, but I'm pretty sure that is going to disappear as I make the last row with double crochets. I'm pretty sure that's going to disappear. But yes, I think the usual price for this is £3 something. But yeah, it's £1.50 at the moment. I've got all the details on it. Oh, I want a cushion out of this now. I want to stick my head on it, though granted I'd probably be sneezing if I stuck my head on it. The details, the extra details of this particular fuzzy stuff is all down below in the description, just below this video. Of course, you can expand it and open it to show more, to see if it's the type of stuff that is right for you and your project. There you go. As expected, the tape has disappeared. It's just on the top where you see it. But I think even if you were making a project, something that's along these lines, say a pillow, if you do a border on it, that's going to disappear anyway. But oh, would I wear it? Would I wear it? I mean, I'd get the sneezels. But for a cuff, that's kind of funky, huh? Ugh. Winter project. Trim round the hood. Cuffs and waistband on a jumper or a cardi. A fluffy amigurumi. Do we have any stretch? A little teeny little weeny bit. Now I'll take it off my Jeannie. Thank you, Jeannie. And we'll go and visit the frog, shall we? So the frog takes a gentle walk. A gentle walk. But, you know, he gets bored of walking because walking is boring. He wants to feel the wind in his face. So he goes back and finds his moped and jumps on board. Ah! He nearly fell off, but that's fine. Now, the only thing with this is I can't see the kinkage. But what I can see is, you know, it's obvious that this has been worked. Obvious. Oh, look at the fluff. Look at the fluff. Look at the fluff. I don't feel like this is something that would aggravate allergies. But then everybody has got different allergies. So, you know, thankfully we are all very much unique. If I put its belt back on. Again, with Yarnsmiths, doing the ball band in the craft paper. Well done, you guys. Well done. I mean, there is a tape on the back, so we've got plastic there. Yes, I know this is polyester. And ordinarily, for me, I would buy natural. But you can't really locate fluffy natural, and it's only 50 grams. Oh, it's got tension on it as well. 8 stitches, 10 rows. Okay, for a 10 centimeter. Okay. Under license for Wool Warehouse. Obviously you might even be able to find it on other websites, but Wool Warehouse, no, I'm not an advocate. Wool Warehouse, even when you are outside of the UK, their postage and packaging for outside of the country is absolutely flipping fabulous compared to, I think, every single international, for me being in the UK, every international yarn company who charge an extortionate amount for postage ordinarily. Wool Warehouse tend to be, yeah. Anywho, thank you very much, Mecky and Ladybird. I appreciate it. Now let's get on with the review. And I'm going to go straight to number 3 rather than diddling along. Now we're primarily reviewing it being fluff, not really anything else in that sense. So, you know, I've got to review it accordingly. So would this fluff be in my top 10? If I was after fluff, would it be in my top 10? 30 meters, 33 yards. Yeah, I think it will. I think it will. Would it be in my top 3? You know what? I'm going to go as far as doing a 4.5 with this. I think the only thing that puts me off is if it were any more expensive, then that would take it down to maybe 3 3/4, maybe. At the price it is, I'm gonna say a 4.5 Ladybirds. Like we have the 1, 2, 3, 4.5. It's a nice fuzz. It's a nice trim. I like that the tape, the ribbon does hide. I like the fact that you can feel the stitches easily that you've already done. And I love the fact that it doesn't defluff itself. Huge bonus. So there's my review. Maybe you've used it and you hated it. Maybe you've used it and you loved it. Maybe you haven't used it but you're thinking about it. I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments. Tell me what you think. And hopefully I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.